Good morning, children. We have studied about the lesson Our Karnataka, Natural Resources of Karnataka. Dear children, we are learning or studying about Kalburgi division. Different specialities of Kalburgi division we are learning. Kalburgi division. Natural resources of Kalburgi division that we are learning. Natural resources. What are the resources which are available from the nature of Kalburgi area? How many items or how many resources which we are getting from the land of Kalburgi area that we are studying? We are learning about rivers. See, Bhima, Tungabhadra, Krishna rivers are there in the Kalburgi area. Bhima, Tungabhadra, Krishna rivers are there in the Kalburgi area. These rivers are providing water to various districts of Kalburgi area. They are providing water to different districts of Kalburgi area. These rivers. Then red, black, and alluvial soils are there in the land of Kalburgi. Red, black and alluvial soils are there in the land of Kalburgi. Red, black and alluvial soils are there in the land of Kalburgi. And red soil do not have more fertility. Only some crops which are able to be adjusted with red soil are cultivated in different parts of Kalburgi. Black soil. Black soil is very fertile. Black soil is known as which one? Black soil is known as rigor soil or cotton soil. Black soil. Because it is in the land of black soil that people are cultivating more cotton crops. That is speciality of black soil. We should know what is the meaning of alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is made because of the alluvium of the river. Alluvium. Because of the alluvium of the soil, alluvial soils are made. During the time of rain, the river may be overflowed with water. During the time of rain, the rivers may be filled with enough water. Rivers. While the rivers are flowing from one place to another place, there may be the presence of branches of trees or soil. The rivers will deposit those things in some places. They may deposit those things in some places. As a result of that, a type of soil will be formed. That is alluvial soil. And alluvial soil is the most fertile soil in the land of Karnataka. Alluvial soil. And paddy is the paddy. Paddy is the important food crop of the people of Kalburgi area. The most important staple food or the most important food crop of the people of Kalburgi area is known as paddy. In different parts of Kalburgi division or different parts of Kalburgi area, people are cultivating paddy. Paddy is mainly a kharif crop. What is the meaning of kharif crop? I have told you several times. What is kharif crop? Kharif crop is that crop which we are cultivating during the time of rainy season. And Rabi crop we are cultivating during the beginning of winter. That is speciality. In the land of Kalburgi division, paddy we are cultivating both as a kharif crop and both as a rabi crop. That is speciality of paddy. And sugarcane also they are cultivating sugarcane. Sugarcane also we are cultivating sugarcane. Sugarcane is the most important commercial crop of Kalburgi area. Commercial crop. Sugarcane is the most important commercial crop of Kalburgi area. Sugarcane. That is the most important commercial crop is known as sugarcane. Then cotton they are cultivating cotton. Cotton is cultivated by the people of Kalburgi area as a real raw material for the cotton textile industries of Karnataka. Farmers are giving or supplying cotton to the cotton textile industries of Karnataka area. They are cultivating millet also. Millet. They are cultivating millet and pulses also. So among the food crops which they are cultivating is the most important one is known as rice. Among the commercial crops, the most important one is known as sugarcane. These items the people of Kalburgi area are cultivating. Very speciality. Once more I will tell. See, natural resources of Kalburgi area. What are the natural resources of Kalburgi area we are learning? First one, so many rivers are there in Kalburgi area. Rivers, Bhima, Tungabhadra, Krishna, etc. are the important rivers of Kalburgi area. Krishna, Tungabhadra, Bhima, etc. are the important or major rivers of Kalburgi area. The soils of Kalburgi, red soil, black soil, alluvial soil, etc. are there in the Kalburgi area. And paddy is the most important food crop which the people are cultivating in the Kalburgi area. And they are cultivating enough commercial crops also. Commercial crops are those crops which we are cultivating only for getting money. Among the commercial crops, sugarcane is very important. Sugarcane is the most important type of commercial crop. Cotton, millet, pulses, also the people of Kalburgi area are cultivating. See, then here in this area dense forest is there. In this area, dense forest is there, or very powerful or thick forests are there in the Kalburgi area. Kalburgi area is blessed with the presence of so many categories of trees and plants. That is speciality of this area. Then Kharoja Dam is there. Kharoja. Kharoja Dam is there in the Bidar area. Bidar. Kharoja Dam is there in the Bidar area. There is an important speciality of Kalburgi area. So many types of minerals are also available from the Kalburgi area. So many types of minerals are also available. Gold, iron. Minerals are also there. Minerals. Gold, these items are available in the land of Kalburgi. Gold, iron, silicon, manganese. These minerals are available in the Kalburgi area. That is specialty. And you should know the industrial value of these items. See, gold is a precious metal. Gold is an important precious metal that is used inside India. People are using gold for making ornaments. Gold is an important or valuable or precious metal which are used by the people of India. Iron, silicon, manganese. These are the raw materials of so many industries of India. So many industries of India. Without these minerals, industries of India cannot develop or prosper. Without these raw materials, industrial production would have been impossible in the land of India. Then, river Krishna is there. Krishna River. River Krishna is an important river of India also. Here across the river Krishna, Basava Sangam Dam is made. This dam is providing, this dam is providing enough water to the agricultural land of Karnataka state. That is one speciality. Then, here I already told you, in this area we can see enough forest land and so many types of wild animals are there in this area. So many types of wild animals are there in this area. Animals. This area is filled with different types of animals. Some animals are very precious animals. Some animals are about to be endangered. In Bellai, one bird sanctuary is there. One famous bird sanctuary is there here. That bird sanctuary is known as Daroji Bird Sanctuary in Bellary. In this bird sanctuary, so many endangered types of birds are kept. What is the meaning endangered? We should know the meaning of the word endangered. Those birds which are about to disappear from the face of the earth is endangered birds. Those animals which are about to disappear from the face of the earth is known as endangered animals. So endangered birds and animals are there here. Endangered birds and animals are there in Kalburgi area. That is specialty. So in the case of natural resources, what is that? In the case of natural resources, this area is very rich as compared to other areas of India. See, in the beginning I had told you another thing. As compared to other areas of Karnataka state, Kalburgi division is lagging behind in the case of total yield per acre. In the case of total yield per acre, Kalburgi division is lagging behind. In the case of total yield per acre, that means if in other areas of Karnataka, if you are getting 20 quintals of rice from 1 acre of land, from Kalburgi division may be 5 quintal only. So the total production of items from Kalburgi agricultural land is very less as compared to the total production of items from other areas. So, Government of India gave special status to Kalburgi area that I have told you last time. Government of India gave special status or special privilege to Kalburgi area. For what purpose? That we have to think. They have given special privilege or status to Kalburgi area because they are planning to develop Kalburgi area economically and socially. So, agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Kalburgi area. Agriculture is the important occupation of agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Kalburgi area. So, people are providing, or government is providing artificial irrigation facility to the farmers of Kalburgi area. Government asked the banks of Karnataka state or Kalburgi area to provide loan to the farmers. Loan to the farmers in order to make borewell or open well. From borewell or open well, they will take water to be used in the agricultural land of Kalburgi area. That is one speciality of Kalburgi area, irrigation. That means government of Karnataka clearly understood that agriculture in India is a gambling. Agriculture in India is a gambling. If you are going for gambling, sometimes we may get money. Sometimes we may lose money. That is speciality. So, sometimes in Kalburgi area, rain may be more sometimes. Sometimes rain may be less. If rain is more, flood will happen. Pralaya. If rain is less, drought will happen. Both are dangerous to the agricultural land of Karnataka. Both are dangerous. So what is the government of Karnataka asked the banks of Kalburgi area to provide loan to the farmers. So because of the encouragement of which one? Government of Karnataka, Kalburgi area is developing in the field of agriculture. Then education field also, education. Education. In the case of total literacy, what is it? In the case of or in the matter of total literacy rate, what is happening there? In the case of total literacy rate, Kalburgi division is lagging behind. That I had told you last time. So, government of Karnataka is providing more money and staff for the development of education in the Kalburgi area. There is one specialty. Then, health facilities. Health facilities. Health facilities are the people of Kalburgi area. Health facilities. Health of Kalburgi people is lagging behind as compared to the health of the people of other areas. Health is lagging behind. What is that? People of Kalburgi area do have a very less life expectancy. Life expectancy of the people of Kalburgi area is very less as compared to the people of other areas of India, Kalburgi area. Then what is that? Because medical facilities of Kalburgi area are lagging behind. So, government of Karnataka made so many plans to provide more and more better health facilities to the people of Kalburgi region or area. Dear children, Kalburgi area is famous for dense forest, thick forest. In Kalburgi area, powerful or thick forests are there. In the forest, different types of various kinds of animals are there in the forest. In the forest, various kinds of or different types of trees and plants are there. Some trees do have medicinal quality of their own. Some plants do have medicinal quality of their own. And what is that? Karoja Dam is there in Bidar area. Karoja Dam. Karoja Dam in Bidar area is providing water to the agricultural land of Bidar and other districts of Kalburgi area. By taking water from this Karoja Dam, by using or by taking water from the Karoja Dam, people of Kalburgi area is producing more food grains and commercial crops. Minerals. Minerals are those items which we are getting from inside the earth. Gold, iron, silicon, manganese. These are the imported minerals which are available in the Kalburgi area. These minerals are the raw materials of, these minerals are really the raw materials of so many industries of Karnataka. Without these raw materials, what is that? Without these raw materials, some industries of Karnataka cannot function smoothly. Krishna River. Krishna River is one of the most important rivers of Karnataka, Krishna River. Across Krishna River, one dam is Basava Sangam Dam is there. This dam is providing water facility to the people of Kalburgi area. This project, this dam, has been made with the support of central government of India. And what is that? In the forest of Kalburgi area, so many wild animals are there, so many types of, or so many categories of wild animals are there in the forest of Kalburgi area. Some animals are endangered animals. What is the meaning of endangered animals? That we have to think. Endangered animals. Those animals which are about to disappear from the earth is known as endangered animals. For example, in the land of India, lion is an endangered animal. Lion is about to disappear from the face of the earth. Like that, some very, very precious animals are there in the forest of Kalburgi area. Then what is that? In Bellary area, Daroji bird sanctuary is there in Bellary area. Daroji bird sanctuary is there. This bird sanctuary is keeping some birds which are about to disappear from the earth. Then, in the beginning itself, I had told you, the total production of agriculture from Kalburgi area is very low as compared to other areas. The total production of agriculture items from 1 acre of land is lagging behind Kalburgi area as compared to other areas. So, government of Karnataka made special plans to provide irrigation facilities to the people of Kalburgi area. Government of Karnataka asked the banks of Kalburgi area to provide loan to the farmers of this area in order to make very good irrigation facilities. By taking the loans, farmers are making tube well and bore wells. They are making tube wells and bore wells. Education. In the case of education, Kalburgi people are lagging behind as compared to people of other areas, Kalburgi people. The education standard of the Kalburgi people are very weak. So, government of Karnataka is providing more fund and skilled teachers for the development of education in the Kalburgi areas, health facilities. The average life expectancy of the people in Kalburgi areas are very less. The average life expectancy of the people of Kalburgi area are very less. So, in Kalburgi area, medical facilities are very weak or very bad. In Kalburgi side or in Kalburgi area, medical system is or medical facilities are very weak. So, government of Karnataka made plans to make so many primary health centers in Kalburgi area and so many advanced medical centers in Kalburgi area government have made. Dear children, you watch this video, read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you call me, please.